Hello friends, in today's video our task is to calculate the quarter from the date given over here. It is based on the month. It is May month and the quarter would be 2 based on the January to December. It means January, February, March would be the first quarter. April, May, June would be the second quarter, like this. But we need to also calculate the quarter based on the financial year starting from the April ending in the March. April, May, June would be the first quarter. July, August, September would be the second quarter, like this. So this is our task. We have several ways to calculating this, but we will use a trick in which within a 10 second you can calculate the quarter and make this formula dynamic. It means whenever you add any date on this column, quarter will be calculated automatically. So let us begin. Dear friends, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe it, like the video, do your comment, share this video on social media so that your friends and family get the benefit. Let us begin our example. We will use choose function with it. We will start from B2 cell, type equal sign, then choose, press tab and give the index number. So we need to first give the index number, and based on that index we want to define a value. So this time we want to calculate the month first from this date. So I need to calculate the month, and then we will give the reference of this date and then close the bracket for the month. So first value would be 1, second value would be the 1, third value would be the 1, the fourth one would be 2 and 2. Then for next 3 months 3 and 3, and the last 3 months having 4 and 4, and we will close the bracket and press enter. January, February, March is the first quarter. April, May would be the second quarter. So we got our answer right. Double click over here, and now this time we will type the same function, but we will change the values to, if it is January, February and March, so the value would be 4 and 4, and then 1 April to June, then July to September would be 2 and it would be 3 and 3. Close the bracket, press enter, and now double click over here. We got our quarter. So hopefully you like this trick. You can use it in your daily routine. Thank you for watching our video. Like the video, do your comment if you have any query. I'll try my best to give the answer as soon as possible. On the top right and the left you can see some playlist and the video. Click over there, watch the video, share these videos or playlist on your social media so that your friends and family can get the benefit by watching our videos. Thank you friends for watching our video. Please come back again. Thank you.